Welcome or welcome back. How many times have you overpacked for a trip and ended up wearing the same 3 outfits the whole time? Yeah, me too. But today we're going to show you how to pack light and still look good with a super simple 3x3 packing method. All right, let's go. The 3x3 method is basically a capsule wardrobe for travel. You choose 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 layering pieces. And then you mix and match to create multiple outfits. That's it. For this one, we'll pack for a casual vacation. Step 1, you're going to pick 3 tops. You start with 3 tops that go with everything. Think neutral tones or your favorite go-to colors. Bonus points if they're wrinkle resistant or layerable. Here I've got a plain white tee, a black tank, and a gray tee. Classic, easy, done. Next, you're going to choose your bottoms. A pair of jeans, I'm not afraid to wear jeans on vacation, comfy black joggers, and some linen pants. Make sure they match all 3 of the tops you've chosen. And then your layering pieces. Here's where you can bring a little more flair or color in. Pick 3 layering pieces. I've chosen a cardigan, a hoodie, and a button-down shirt. Remember, the key is that they have to work with all 6 of your other pieces. You're going to lay all 9 pieces out in a grid like this. It's very specific. So it's top, layer, bottom, bottom, top, layer, layer, bottom, top. Now you're going to take these pieces and mix them up to make 9 different outfits. Two pairs of shoes may sound like not enough, but trust me, you can do this. I go with comfy sneakers, something dressy, casual like sandals or loafers, and 1 pair of flip-flops because flip-flops don't take up much space, so I don't count them as shoes. I math how I want to math. You can math how you want to math. Make sure they're versatile and actually work with your outfits, and please break them in before your trip. Your bonuses. Accessories are going to be your secret sauce here. A scarf, a hat, some earrings, they barely take up space and can totally change the look of your outfit. Just remember not to pack anything you don't want to lose. So that's the 3x3 method. 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 layering pieces. It saves space, makes packing easier, and honestly, you'll stress way less about what to wear. One final tip, make sure you try everything on before you pack it, especially if it's from a different season. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to travel packing method is, or if you've ever tried the 3x3 method. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more of the okayest travel tips. Thanks for watching.